Okay, honest question. Have you ever left an American work meeting thinking, everyone spoke English, but I still didn't understand anything?
All the time. The words were English. The meaning was corporate,
Exactly. Welcome to American Office Talk.
where nobody says things directly.
Right. They use phrases that sound friendly but mean very specific things.
Like, let's circle back.
Perfect example. What do you think it means?
I thought it meant, let's meet again right now.
Nope. It means not now, later, maybe.
So it's a polite delay.
Exactly. Americans hate saying no directly.
Okay, what about let's touch base?
That means let's check in or let's talk briefly.
Not a full meeting.
Usually short, casual, low pressure.
All right, next one. Keep me in the loop.
That one's important.
Meaning,
Update me. Don't forget to tell me what's happening.
so if I don't update them,
They'll be annoyed. Quietly.
classic American style.
Exactly.
What about, it's on my radar?
Ah, that means I know about it, but I'm not acting on it yet.
So it's not urgent.
Right now, no.
Wow, so much indirect meaning.
American offices run on indirect language.
Let's talk small talk, because meetings always start with it.
Always.
Hey, how was your weekend?
And they don't want a full story.
So what's the right answer?
Short and positive.
Like,
Good, pretty relaxing. Or nice and quiet.
not problems, not complaints.
Never.
Okay, meeting starts, people are talking. How do I interrupt politely?
Very important skill.
Because interrupting feels rude,
Unless you do it the American way.
which is
Soft entry phrases.
examples,
Can I jump in real quick? Or just to add to that.
not you're wrong.
Never that.
What if I disagree with my manager?
You don't disagree directly. You reframe.
How?
You start with agreement.
Even if I don't agree?
Especially then.
Example?
I see your point. Then, one concern I have is...
So the disagreement is softened.
Exactly. It sounds collaborative, not confrontational.
What about saying no?
Americans rarely say no directly at work.
So what do they say?
This might be challenging, or I'm not sure that'll work.
Which actually means no.
Yes, but politely.
Let's role-play a meeting moment.
All right,
Just to circle back, let's roll this out by Friday.
I see the goal. One concern is the timeline might be tight.
That sounds respectful.
That's American professionalism.
What if I want to take control of the conversation?
Use transition phrases.
Like,
Just to clarify, or let's take a step back.
those sound calm.
That's the point.
So American offices value tone more than words.
Absolutely.
Final question. Why do they talk like this?
Because harmony matters. People want to sound professional and pleasant.
So decoding office talk is really decoding culture.
Exactly.
All right, let me try one.
Go.
Let's circle back on this next week and keep everyone in the loop.
Congratulations! You officially sound American at work. Now let's talk about where American office language really confuses people. Emails and Slack.
Yes, because everything sounds polite, but sometimes it's actually pressure.
Exactly. Let's start with a classic email line. Just checking in.
That sounds friendly.
It is, but it also means, why haven't you replied yet?
So it's a soft follow-up.
Very soft, but very clear.
Okay, what about per my last email?
That one is dangerous
Why?
because it means I already told you this.
So it's polite but annoyed.
Exactly. Passive-aggressive, American style.
What about Slack messages like, hey, quick question?
That usually means the question is coming whether you say yes or not.
So I don't need to reply, sure.
Nope. Just wait for the question.
All right, let's talk meeting behavior.
Yes, especially silence.
Silence feels awkward to me.
In American meetings, silence can look like disagreement or confusion.
So staying quiet isn't always safe.
Right. That's why people say small things like, sounds good, got it, makes sense.
Even if they're not speaking much.
Exactly. It shows engagement.
Okay, how do I push back politely after a meeting?
Great question.
Because disagreeing in the meeting can feel risky.
That's very common.
So, what do Americans do?
They follow up privately,
With what kind of language?
soft and collaborative.
Example?
Hey, I was thinking more about our discussion earlier.
Not, you're wrong.
Never.
Okay, what about deadlines?
Americans love flexible pressure.
Meaning,
They don't say, do this now. They say, when do you think you can get this done?
that sounds like a choice.
But it's still a deadline conversation.
So, I should give a clear time.
Yes, ambiguity looks unprofessional.
What about phrases like, let's take this offline?
Important one.
What does it mean?
It means, let's not discuss this in the meeting.
So, maybe it's sensitive.
Exactly.
Okay, I want to interrupt politely in a meeting. Give me options.
All right, here are 3 safe ones. Can I add something real quick? Or, just to clarify. Or, one thought here is,
Those feel respectful.
that's the goal.
What if I really disagree?
Then you cushion it
With what?
with validation first.
Example?
I see where you're coming from. Then, I'm just a little concerned about.
So, tone protects the message.
Always.
One last thing, praise at work.
Yes, very important.
Americans give praise publicly.
They do, and they expect it to be accepted.
So, no downplaying.
Exactly. Say thank you.
All right, final role play.
Let's do it.
Can you send me an update by end of day?
Yes, I'll follow up this afternoon and keep you in the loop.
That sounded very American.
That's the goal.
So, American office talk is really about.
Politeness, clarity, and control without confrontation.
Got it. Let's circle back next episode.
Perfect ending.